Hi, my name is Amina. I hope you're all doing well. So, today I want to talk about the fact that sometimes failure is actually what you need because when you decide to do something, it's not always what you are supposed to do. So, yes, if you like my channel, by the way, please subscribe and like. And if you want, you can share with other people and help me to grow this channel. Tony Robbins talks about our personal blueprint, which means that every one of us have an idea of where we want to be at a certain age in our lives. For example, if you are, I don't know, at 25, you want to be probably out of university or college or something, or maybe you have been working for a long time already, and you want maybe to have a family and have children or not, or you want to be traveling, or you want to have a specific salary, or you want to have your own business. So you have an idea where you want to be at 25. So that's what Mr. Tony Robbins called our personal blueprint. When you reach 25 or 50, and then you check, am I where I'm supposed to be today? And you check, and then you see if your life matches your blueprint. If it matches, you're happy. If it doesn't match, you're depressed. And most of the time, because people don't know about this notion of personal blueprint, when they're depressed, they don't know why they are depressed, and they just go into life sad and trying to pay their bills and things like that. They never stop to ask themselves, okay, am I doing what I want to do in my life? The problem is that most of the time our lives don't match our blueprint. So most of the time, if people don't either change their lives to match their blueprint, or they change the blueprint, nothing will change in their lives. They will still be depressed. So you can either change your blueprint. So for example, at 25, I want to have my own business, but when you're 25, you realize that having your own business is a lot of work. So you can say maybe at 30, I will have my own business. So that's a way to change your blueprint. Or you can simply work on getting your business ready and doing everything to have your business, and that's it. Unfortunately, one thing we tend to do is to pray or to work hard, and even when nothing happens, we don't stop to say, oh, you know what, maybe I am not on the right track. Maybe I am not doing what I'm supposed to do, or maybe something else. So we will have the question of, do you believe in destiny? Do you believe that there are things you are supposed to do in your life? So it depends on everybody's personal belief. In my case, I would say that I think I'm supposed to do many things, and if I do one of those many things, I'm on the right track. But if I'm doing something that is the opposite of one of the things I'm supposed to do, it doesn't work. So instead of being angry or sad or disappointed when we don't get what we want, we should stop and ask ourselves, oh, is it something that I'm supposed to do? Is it something that my heart really wants to do? Or is it something that I'm doing because of habit, or because somebody told me to do it, or because my parents, or whatever? And that's why sometimes when you go and you seek for something that is not for you, it's good that you fail, so you will have the time to stop and ask yourself, is it the right thing for me? And if it's not, you're gonna look for the right thing for you, one of the right things for you, and you're gonna seek for it and continue to do the work. So we should sometimes I think most of the time we should appreciate when we get a failure, because failure is a good teacher. When you do something and it doesn't work, usually it's because you're missing some information. So when you're doing the things you want to do and they don't work because you don't have the information, you're gonna learn the lesson, and this lesson will stay with you forever because you learned it by experience, instead of somebody telling you, oh no, you shouldn't do that. Because when you verify things yourself on the field, it's different from somebody giving you advice, because now the pain you got would prevent you from doing this again. So it's a good thing. So instead of crying when you get a failure, I'm saying that it's easy to say, because even myself, I don't like failures, but I know they're a good teacher. And above all, they can help you to get on the right track, because sometimes you're not doing what you were supposed to do. So I've said that 1,000 times. But yes, I believe you should pause and then ask yourself, is this something that I'm really supposed to do? Is it something that I really want to do? Is it something that will bring joy to my life, to my heart? Or is it something that somebody else put in my mind, or I saw on a video and I envy that person, or whatever reason? Just ask yourself. And if you fail and you realize that it's not what you are supposed to do, celebrate and be happy and move on to the right direction. So that was it for today. I hope you liked it, you enjoyed it, and you learned something. So if you have questions you would like me to answer to help you with a difficult decision, or you need some advice, a piece of advice, please let me know on the comments below, and I will do my best to respond as quickly as possible. So I wish you a beautiful day and see you on the next time. Bye.